when they asked Jesus, they said, if somebody does something to us, how many times are we supposed to forgive them? And Jesus said, 7 times 70. I didn't want to do that. Because I associate that kind of forgiveness with weakness. I say, if you start forgiving people every time they do something to you, they're going to run all over top of you. I thought my unforgiveness was a defense. Sometimes I used it as a punishment. I ain't gonna forgive you till you do right by me. I never knew that forgiveness is a gift you give yourself.